Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you're doing awesome. Hope you're having a fantastic day. All right, today we have made it to May the 11th. We're on day number 32 of this MyLeadGenSecret challenge, guys. If you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to this channel and go back to day number 1 so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Okay. And what we are doing, guys, if you're new to this video, you have no idea what's going on. We are using a service called MyLeadGenSecret System. It's a email platform, okay, that allows you to send out emails every single day. And we're grabbing ClickBank, which is a network platform that you can go and grab offers. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab an offer from ClickBank and we're going to send it to the MyLeadGenSecret traffic. And we're going to see if we can earn income from doing that. All right. So stick with me on this challenge, guys. We're going to do this for 1 year. We're not going to miss a beat. We're going to come in here every day. I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email, and I'm going to show you the results from the emails that I'm sending out. All right. So today we are on day number 32 of this challenge. We're on the next set of 30 days in this challenge, which is really good. And I'll explain that later in the video. Okay. So let's go ahead and hop on over here to MyLeadGenSecret system. If you guys don't know what MyLeadGenSecret is, MyLeadGenSecret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing, make money online leads every single day. So every day when you come into this back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 leads coming into your account, fresh leads, okay, that you're going to be able to send out an email. You'll be able to send out one email every single day, okay, every 24 hours. So this is what it looks like, guys. I've been with MyLeadGenSecret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work and it does convert, okay? So just if you guys do want to go ahead and get started, there is a link below this video. So all you would have to do is come down here to the description and go ahead and click there. There's going to be a link right here, which is the MLGS True Freedom, okay, link right here. Just click on that. It'll take you to the MyLeadGenSecret system, and you'll be able to go ahead and get signed up. All right. Now, when you get signed up, your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out. All right. But other than that, you're going to have the same account as I do. Okay. If you go to the My Leads, these are the leads that are coming in every day. Right now I got 8 different accounts, guys. I have the cool thing about MyLeadGenSecret system, they let you stack your accounts so you can get as many as you like and you can get as much traffic as you want. Okay, that's the cool thing about it. All right. So today's the 11th. I did get a fresh 100 leads. I've already sent out my emails before this video, but I got a fresh 100 leads that I was able to send out to that no one has seen my offer. Okay. Everyone else has seen my offer, guys. And the thing about this traffic is that this is cold traffic. Now it does work, but it's cold. Okay. So that means that these people do not know who you are. They're not warmed up to your offer, or they don't really know who you are. They don't know, they've never seen your emails before, you specifically. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to use the free email swipes from the vendor, which is, I'm going to show you the offer that we are promoting right now with this method. Now, if you go to this master email swipes, these are additional emails that you can pay for. They're about $30 to get these emails. They're written by a 7-figure marketer. The emails are good. I have purchased these emails. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be using the free email swipes from the vendor, which is not going to cost you anything. All right. Now, where you're going to be hanging out at, guys, is the mailing system. This is where you're going to go send all your emails. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the system, guys. It's super easy to do. If you guys send out emails in Gmail, if you ever send out an email in Bing or Outlook, whatever, which one you use, Yahoo, right? Then if you know how to send out an email there, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy to do. I come in every single day and I send out emails, all right? One email to each account. And it takes me no longer than 10, 15 minutes to complete all my accounts, guys. Very easy. So what you would do, you would come down here, click on select all. Okay. And what that does is loads up these emails right here. And this mailing is going out to 51,800 people. Okay. Now you may, if you're just getting started, you may not have that many, but if you stick with the program, every day you're going to collect those leads, and every month you're going to have, some thousands of leads that you'll be able to send out to every single day. Okay. And that list, they'll stay with you. Those people that are coming in every day, they're going to stay on your list. Okay, so you'll be able to mail them out emails every single day, and you'll be able to get in front of them every single day, guys. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead and go down here to the subject line. The offer that we are using for this challenge, okay, is going to be an offer from ClickBank. It's called Live Chat Jobs, which is social sales rep. Okay. This is the offer that we're going to use, guys. So we're going to just promote this one offer for 1 year. We're not going to go promote other offers. Now, if you go back to this channel, like in the beginning of this channel, I did shoot a different 30-day challenge. I shot a 30-day challenge, but I was using other offers to show you that other offers do work. Okay, so you can go back and watch those videos as well. Now, for this challenge, you guys, if you wanted to get started, you don't actually have to do this social sales rep. The only reason I'm picking this offer because they have a $20 rebill every single month. So once someone signs up, I get the initial $20 when someone signs up for this offer. And then every month, they're going to get billed $20 over and over and over and over again. That's why I wanted to promote this because it has residual billing. Okay. Which just means that person gets billed every single month. All right. So the whole idea here, guys, is to stack $20 on top of each other every month and see if we can earn a full-time income doing it. All right. So let's go ahead and grab these free email swipes right here. You got email swipes. So just click there and we're just going to come down here and we're just going to grab one of these emails. I'm going to show you how to send out an email, guys. And these are the emails that you can use right here. Okay. If you're using this offer, even if you're not using this offer, if you go into the affiliate page of the offer, they have, different emails. All right. So let's go ahead and promote this one. All right. So we'll just come here, go ahead and grab this email subject line, Control C, come back over here and Control V. All right. We want to come down here and we want to click on perfect timing. Make sure you click on perfect timing. And then you want to come down here to the body, grab the body of text there, grab all of it. It's a long email right there. Control C. And then you want to come over here to the mailing system and you want to Control V. Okay, very easy to do. Take out the word signature and put in your name because signature is basically asking either for your name or whatever you want to call yourself. Okay, and right here where it says hide name, we want to take that out and you want to put in these embedded codes right here. These codes right here addresses our prospect by either their full name, first name, or last name, okay, or email address. The best one is going to be first name. That way it's more personable whenever we're sending out these emails. So we're going to come here and we're going to take out the name and we're going to Control V. That way, when this email goes out, it's going to say like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, whatever your name is, right? And it's going to address them like we're talking to them, like we know them personally, okay? So let's go ahead and hit right here where it says click here. Everywhere where it says click here, we want to turn it into a clickable link. Okay, so our prospect does click here. We have to have some kind of call to action in our emails. All right. So under every email, okay, there's going to be a link that goes with the email. All right. So let's go ahead and grab this link right here. And this is very important. Whenever you're sending these emails out, you want to make sure you put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. That's very important. Okay. So let's come back over here to the mailing system, Control V, and let's go ahead and take this right here. And you want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Whatever that may be. All right. Click on OK. And and what that does, guys, look, it turns that into a clickable link. So when it goes to their email, that person is going to click here and it's going to take them to your affiliate page. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here, click here, and then Control V. We want to take this out, and we want to put in your affiliate ID and click on OK. Boom. Right here, and I like to make mine a little bigger, guys, so just copy all of that. Either use 16 or 18, whichever one you like. So that way, when it comes to their email, when it comes across your prospect's email, the words are easy to read. They're not squinting their eyes, or the words are not overly big. Okay. So what you will want to do at the bottom, there's going to be two links. One is going to say preview or submit now. Okay. So we want to click preview first because we want to preview our email first. We want to make sure that the links work in the email. So that's what we'll do. We'll go ahead and just click preview, click on your link, make sure it goes to your affiliate page. Come down here, click on this one, make sure that it goes to your affiliate page. That's very important that you do that. And then you want to come here and you want to click send now. Okay. That's it, guys. That email is going to go out to however many people that you have on your list. People are going to look at it and they're going to decide if they want to start working and making money, and then you'll get a commission for that. If not, sometimes people circle back around and they end up, purchasing the program later. Okay. It just depends. Now, just real quick, I don't want to guarantee that you're going to make anything with this right now because I don't know if you're going to go out and get accounts. I don't know if you're going to send out emails every day. Okay. But what I can guarantee you is that if you come in, if you follow what I'm showing you, you're going to earn income. You're going to see progress with this. Okay, guys, you have to come in and do it every day. Sometimes you may not see your first sale till a week. It could be your first day, could be your second day. Okay. It could be a few months. Okay. It all just depends on how many accounts that you have and how consistent you are sending out emails. Okay, it all just depends. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. All right. And if you don't know what ClickBank is, you go to clickbank.com, guys. Go ahead and sign up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free to get started. Okay. And I'm going to show you how to get to the offer. Once you get in your back office, just click on accounts. Okay. And you want to go, you want to click on your username and you want to go to the marketplace. Okay. And the only section that you're going to be using is this e-business, e-marketing section. And you want to come here, and this is the live chat jobs. Okay. So this is what I was telling you. When you click on that, it takes you to your affiliate page. So that's the same page that we were on just a minute ago to grab this email. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys how to get there. All right. If you didn't know how to get there. So this is the offer that we're going to be promoting. And let's take a look. We did send out an email last night, guys. I just want to show you the results real quick to show you if we got any traffic, if we got any new sales. If you guys watched yesterday's video, yesterday we did get a sale and also we got a sign up, okay, from last night, which is going to be this one right here. Okay. Let me go back, scroll back up. Yesterday, we got one initial order form impression and we got one free trial sign up. That person every few days. The whole deal with this offer is when someone signs up for this, okay, they're going to get there's a free dollar trial that they can do. All they got to pay is $1. Okay. And then in 3 days from that time, they are billed $27 for the program. And then after they're billed that $27 for the program, we get our cut, which is 75 or 85%, commissions on it. All right. And we make our $20 from it. All right. So, um, someone signed up a few days ago for the free trial and we they got billed yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we got an initial sale. Now this initial sale, guys, should be paid out on, I believe, Tuesday. Tomorrow's Monday, so this should be Tuesday. That we should be seeing this be $20. All right, but the whole goal here, guys, is to get initial sales every single day. That way, we're always getting rebills every few days. And then now, since we're on the next set of 30 days, everyone that signed up on the first 30 days, they're going to get rebilled this next set of 30 days, right? This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is going to be the cool stuff. It's going to be the fun stuff, okay? As these months go and go, that's what I was telling you guys. Get started today, okay? You're missing out, all right? If you get started today, complete your first 30 days. Whoever signed up in that 30 days, they're going to come back and get rebilled the next month, and you can just start stacking those $20 payments, okay, every month. So today's the May 11th. Today, okay, social sales rep. This is the offer that we're promoting. Okay, so today we got over 1,100 hops. We got 749 unique hops. Okay, these are brand new IP addresses that came to our page, which is really good. We got 4 initial order form impressions. Okay, and 4 unique. Okay, so what that means is these are people that actually went to the checkout page. Okay, these people were thinking about buying. Okay, and they didn't buy for whatever reason, or they decided to buy for whatever reason. Okay, unfortunately, they didn't pull the trigger today and we didn't get any initial sales. Okay. We don't have any rebills yet because we don't, no one signed up until yesterday. Okay. So that rebill will be coming around Tuesday, I believe. Okay. But we didn't get any sales today, guys, but we did get some traffic and we got some people thinking about it. Okay. And usually what I've been seeing that the more order form impressions, the closer that you are to a sale. All right. So these people may have not decided today, but tomorrow we sent out an email today. right? It's going to go right back to them again. And they may say, okay, hey man, this is that offer that he sent out yesterday or the day before yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, okay? And then boom, they ended up purchasing this. They're out here working and making money for themselves, right? Now, if you someone out here that's looking for extra income, this is not some lottery ticket, type of offer. You're not going to send out one email and then wake up tomorrow and maybe be, a millionaire. Okay, that's not how it works. Okay, guys. If you're looking for extra income, this can give you extra income for gas, groceries. If you're looking maybe to pay electric bill, maybe help out with, your mortgage payment. If you have a rent or a payment or something like that, maybe even a car payment that you have, maybe 500-600 bucks a month or 700 bucks a month, okay, that you need extra income for. This could be something that can pay those bills for you guys, okay? Put food on the table for your family, okay? Now, if you want to take this thing full time, okay, grab some accounts, okay? Grab anywhere from 5 to 10 accounts, okay? And there's a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service, okay? Now, if you're not able to, hold on to those accounts until you start making money, don't go out and get all those accounts, okay? But if you have, a job, or if you have the money to do that, okay, I would recommend going out and get the accounts until you start earning income. Now, if you're someone that's just on a budget, you live in paycheck to paycheck right now, it's been tough for you, at least grab at least 3 to 5 accounts. Okay. That's going to give you enough accounts where you can start earning the extra income. And then from that income, you can reinvest. You can pay your bills, right? Pay some of those bills still, and then reinvest and get you more accounts. Okay. So, but 5 is going to be a sweet spot. 5 is going to be, if you hold on to that, okay, you're going to get there in a short period of time, okay? A shorter period of time than if you only got one account or 2 accounts. It may take you a lot longer to start seeing results. All right. But I'm not gonna go on anymore. I'm at 17 minutes now, just on speaking with you guys. But I wanted to show you how easy it is to send out an email in the MyLeadGenSecret system, and then I wanted to show you the results. I wanted to show you the offer that we're promoting from ClickBank, so you can kind of know if you guys wanted to do the same thing. You're more than welcome to do that. But I just wanted to show you the results from today and how we did. We didn't do that bad today. I mean, we didn't get the sales that we want, but we're getting the traffic, okay? And I believe we're going to have a great week, all right? But I'm going to meet you guys back here tomorrow. We sent out an email tonight, so we're going to check those results tomorrow and see how we did, and we'll come back and I'll kind of just go through sending another email for you. But until then, I will see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys.